Well, hello guys. Today I want to show you something that we just purchased and I want to explain what it is. This is the Bosch 6 series washing machine. Yeah, it's a washing machine and it has DOS. Not MS-DOS like the famous Bill Gates operating system, Microsoft DOS. This is automatic dosing. So you have this thing here, which you can put the detergent or the softener, and it will dose it automatically for you whenever you have laundry. We currently don't use this option, but we probably will try it in the future. We don't use it because every time we wash different clothes with different color, and my wife has different types of detergent to choose. So yeah, that's why we don't use it. If you want to use the normal function, you just put the detergent in here and no worries. And what about the washing machine? Previously we had AAG 9th series, which was again a washing machine with a dryer, and it was a high-end appliance, but I didn't like it a lot, so I purchased this one. This is around 1000 euro here, sold for around 1050 euro. Sometimes it's discounted, but it has a heat pump, and the drying is very economic. It takes a bit more time, but yeah, it's very economic. And I wanted to show you the functions of this washing machine. We are using it for several days now, actually maybe around 1 week, and it's pretty good. It dries the clothes very well, and when you turn it on, like when you turn this dial on, and it lights. There is a light here, you can see it, that lights what's inside the drum. And there are different programs. I want to show you the animation here of the screen. So you turn it on and there is this animation. It shows all the temperatures, all the speeds that you can use the centrifuge, and it shows you what program, what kilograms you may put and how long it is. So currently I'm cottons, and on cottons it takes 3 hours and 50 minutes to make the laundry. And if you tap this button here, it becomes 5 hours or 6 kilograms. You have to put up to 6 kilograms. And if you make it even more drier, it becomes even more. And you can make it less drier. If you are going to iron them, it becomes less. But yeah, and there are different programs. Here is the Eco program. The Eco program automatically chooses the temperature for you, but it's up to 40 degrees, up to 60 degrees Celsius from 40, as it's written here. And you can also choose with dryer or without dryer. With dryer it becomes 7 hours, which is a lot, but it's okay. The AG had similar function and it had 7 hours and 20 minutes for this program. You cannot choose the temperature here, you can only choose the spin speed, and you can choose the spin speed to 1000 rpm, rounds per minute. You can choose the IDOS system or turn off the IDOS system, and you can use pre-wash. If they are very dirty, you can put the less ironing, but for this program you cannot choose the less ironing. Only for some programs you can choose the less ironing, and it reduces the speed. So but you can still adjust it, and you can adjust without any centrifuge. So yeah, if you want to adjust when the program will finish, you tap this button here, finished at, and you can choose after how many hours the program will end. It's useful if you wash at night, so before you go to bed you put it 8 hours, and assuming you sleep for 8 hours, when you wake up it will be finished and ready to dry. You can choose up to, I think, 24 hours, and then it resets. And if you there are other programs. This is the Easy Care program for clothes that are like wool or synthetics. The temperature you can choose up to 60, but it's a shorter program. This is the mix program with mixed clothes, and you cannot choose, you can choose 60 again. Hygiene Care, this is very nice program, I think, that we'll be using. It can be used for delicates, and first it processes the clothes with steam, 65 degrees steam, and then washes them at 30 degrees steam. And you can again choose the spin speed. Super quick program, which I used, no, I didn't use this one, but it's up to 2 kilograms, and it's only 15 minutes for lightly dirty clothes, and you can still use the drying option. And here we have rinse only if you want to rinse some clothes, if you manually wash them and then you just want to rinse them in the washing machine. This is the spin drain if you want to just spin them and use the spinning of the washing machine. There is a special program for wool as well that can be used. There is only up to 40 degrees Celsius you can choose for this program, and there are delicates and silk, which is up to 2 kilograms, and you cannot choose the drying option here. And another program, it's the automatic program. This is fully automatic. You cannot choose temperature, you cannot choose spin speed, you cannot choose drying. It does everything automatically. I used it the other day to clean my bicycle clothes. And if you just want to flush the clothes with some steam to be easier to iron, then you can use the iron assist program. And there are two programs for drying and intensive drying. So yeah, we will now try to put some clothes and so now my beautiful wife will put the clothes inside the washing machine, tuck them nicely. What are they? Jackets, black things. What program? Cottons? Eco? Now we will put the detergent inside here. Yep, and we'll close it. One thing that is for this model, there is no way to pull up the filter for the drying. The AG model had this thing here that you pull up and clean after every drying. The Bosch doesn't have this. It magically disappears. There is this fluff that is coming after each drying. So we close the door here and we will use the Eco program. And the Eco, we will reduce the speed because we don't want the clothes to be wrinkled, and we will turn on the drying and it becomes 7 hours. Another temperature cannot be adjusted here. Another thing that can be done here is if you want to make it faster, you tap on this button, but for this program you cannot do it. For cottons, if you want to make this program faster, you tap this button here and it reduces the speed of the program. So originally it's 5 for 6 kilograms, and if you tap it, it becomes 350 with drying. But we will not use it, we will use the echo option, 1000 RPM, and we use the drying. Can we do less ironing? No. And we just start the program by holding. And yep, voila, it is, and it lights up inside. You can see the clothes written up, and it's very quiet. It's apparently for like spinning speed. It's 70 decibels, which is really quiet, and I don't hear it at night. And the program started, so after several minutes you can see it can adjust this time. So depending on the clothes, how heavy they are, what amount of clothes did you put inside, and how much they are dirty, this time may be adjusted, so it may be less time remaining, but for now it still keeps the time. Also you can see this light here. This means that the door is locked now, you cannot open the door. If you want, you can tap this button to pause the program and open the door to put some more clothes. Another interesting thing that I just learned is that you can adjust the spin speed while the program is running, and you can adjust the drying amount while the program is running. Important thing when you purchase one of these is that you will have to register it on the Bosch site, and you get additional 3 years of warranty for the washing machine itself, and 10 years of warranty for the motor. Maybe after 10 years I will forget that it's still in warranty, but yeah, this is important because things tend to break. We previously had another Bosch washing machine, and it was pretty good, but it was very old because it was purchased second hand, and still it was really good. It worked very well until it didn't, because it caught fire, and yeah, we had to remove it. And now all we have to do is wait for the remaining 5 hours and 26 seconds. I will record the whole process, so stick with me, and probably I will talk about it the whole of the time. So yeah, no, I'm kidding. I will just stop here and tune in when it's over. And now you can see we have few hours passed, actually 2 hours and a half passed, maybe 3 since the start of the program, and you can see that it adjusted its time. There are 2 hours and 30 minutes remaining, so the overall program maybe will be around 5 hours or so. And you can see on my Apple Watch I can measure the sound, but I will stop talking. This was the sound during pumping of the water. And the washing machine switched to rinsing mode. You can see this this here, this icon on the display, it means that it's rinsing. It's the same as this one here. And few minutes later you can see that we are already on the centrifuge program, and it will start the spinning and we will measure the sound. Also, I put a glass of water on the top, and we can see how stable is the washing machine. To be very stable, you have to adjust the legs. There are 4 legs at each corner, and you have to level the washing machine very carefully to be leveled horizontally. And on the lower revolutions it's not very stable, and we can measure the sound. You see, it's very stable, really stable, and it's gaining speed. "56 decibels. Yeah, so it's very stable, but it depends. It depends on the how much RPM you put, how much clothes you put, are they evenly distributed. But for now it feels very stable and good. And this is the sound check from the drying. It's 50 decibels, and we have 11 minutes remaining from the whole cycle. It took about 5.5 hours, not 7 as it was in the beginning. And we'll see how the clothes are dried at the end. And it's over now. You can see the lock icon disappeared, and we can open the door, and the light is showing you all the nicely washed clothes. And you can see here there is some dirt, fluff appearing on the bottom. Maybe this is not very good. You can clean it if you want before removing the clothes. But yeah, after all, it's a pretty good washing machine. And from time to time you have to clean the drum on a special program at 90 degrees. There is an indicator here, maybe somewhere on the display, that shows that you have to clean the drum. And yeah, this is all from the Bosch dryer and washer, laundry machine, washing machine. It's a pretty nice machine. I like it so far. We'll see how the electricity bills are going, but with the heat pump it should be pretty low. I like it. I'm not affiliated with Bosch company or any other company that sells this, so I'm not paid to do this review. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.